Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Xavier Smith, and today I'm going to teach you about real and complex roots. So let's start with a comparison. So real roots, they appear on the graph, and therefore they can be found by using the graph. Then complex roots are not on the graph, but both are zeros of the equation, meaning if you plug them in, they will give you 0, or if you say 0 equals the equation and you solve and plug them back in, they will give you 0. And then they can be found algebraically. So if we were looking at a graph, first you have to look at the degree of the graph. So we look how many times it changes direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the degree of this graph is 5, meaning that it will have 5 roots. So let's see how many are algebraic. Well, how many are real roots, excuse me. We have 1 real root, 2 real roots, and 3 real roots. A real root is one that touches the x-axis. So it'll be a real number. Like this one here, I can distinctly say is -1. And then, yeah, I see -1. So we have 3 real roots, meaning we will have 2 imaginary roots. And the way we can get those is if we had this equation and then we had a real root like -1, we'd say, well, then x plus 1 is a factor, and then we would divide the polynomials and we would get something that would say, oh, well, 2 are imaginary, and then you'll have 3 real roots. I hope that was helpful, and please comment if you have any questions. There shall be videos on algebraically finding these roots and finding these roots through a graph.